welcome back to channel viewers. Tony from Greens Adventures. Just do a top-end room review of Salsom Beach and take you along. I'll just spin you around and we'll go through the apartment and what it has to offer. Well, as you walk through the door, you've got your bathroom, a decent sized mirror in the bathroom, and you've got hairdryer, soap dispensers, towels as well, and a rather big shower cubicle with a over the top head shower there, all with soap and conditioner shampoo. Right, just as you go around, we'll take you into the bedroom. You can see from the bedroom you got a fan on the ceiling fan there, adequate size beds. There's two single beds pushed together as a double. You've got like wardrobe drawers and extra bedding up there, loads and loads of coat hangers each side, and I must admit it's a very spacious room, very spacious. You've got controls at the side of the bed as well for all the lighting. And we'll just go through to through the hallway, through into the front room. You see from the front room now we've got a coffee machine, electric hob, a nice clean cupboards, and there's a microwave down there. The fridge freezer, and I'll be honest with you, the fridge freezer, it looks virtually brand new. So loads of cupboard space. Shut the cupboards, plates, toaster, kettle, and you've got knives and forks in the drawers. You've got a full size flat screen smart telly. It's all linked up to Wi-Fi. The most important, the air conditioning. That's a must. Right, we'll just go to the balcony if I find the door. I think the door handle's this side, it must be, yes. Just open the curtains, or just open the sliding door. Take you outside to the wraparound balcony. It's a really nice balcony, 4 seats and a check table. And you've got two sun lounges there as well. And the views and the space on this balcony, and gorgeous. Look at that view, what you've got there, all of Fanny Bay. Brilliant. Couldn't ask for a better, more spacious apartment. Anyway, that's Tony from Greens Adventures giving you basically a good room view and a highly sought after room at Salsom Beach. Anyway, thanks for watching. Join us again and give us a thumbs up and a like. Catch you soon.